Hi everyone, and welcome to another video. In this video, I am making a smoothie. Among the ingredients I am using are organic coconut water, frozen strawberries, frozen mango, and a very special supplement from yoursuper.com. In this particular smoothie, I am using their plant collagen. It's an organic superfood mix that contains tocos, pea protein, tremella, glucoma, vanilla, and aloe vera. Now, what I like about Your Super is that their products are certified organic, they're non-GMO, gluten-free, they're 100% plant-based, no additives, dairy-free, soy-free, and there are no sweeteners. I will say that this video is not sponsored in any way. I really do enjoy the products from yoursuper.com. So if you're on a journey to eating healthy, I do recommend checking their website out. You'll be impressed.